Hello. Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to
Hello. If anyone joined, please let me know is my voice audible or not. I'm just checking. Let me know via comments, if I'm audible. Let me know via comments, if I'm audible. Let me know via comments, if I'm audible. I'm audible now as well. I'm audible now. Yeah, I think I'm audible. Yeah, I'll be waiting for 5 more minutes. Like I'll be sharing the link to the group. Like who will join, they can join. So I'll be waiting for 5 more minutes. Like I'll share the link to the group. Like who will join, they can join. So just give me 5 minutes. Yeah, thank you, Swati, for confirmation. So till the time, please anyone can share the link in the group as well. Just give me 2 more minutes. Yeah, thank you, Rohit, for confirmation. No. Yeah, till the time, like I want to open, like I want you to open the Eclipse. If you have the Eclipse in your system, like you can open that, or if you're not having the Eclipse in your system, right, please open that in your online Java compiler. Please search for that. Yes, Ate, could you please confirm once again that I'm audible or not? Once everything is perfect, I'm going to start live. Yes, bro. Yeah, thank you again. Yeah, thank you, Mamata. Just give me 2 to 5 minutes. I'm waiting for others to join. And one more thing, guys, uh, like in this live session, right? I'm going to explain. There are total 6 questions from the previous year. So in that, I'm explaining the 3 questions very easily how to write in the exams as well. So meanwhile, I want you to write in the notes or in the Eclipse or in online Java compiler the code that I am writing now. Right, I will be explaining that code as well. Just write that parallelly in your online Java compiler or in your notes or in Eclipse. Anything, it's your wish. Just write that parallelly. Then only you can understand what I am doing. Okay. Yeah. Just wait. I'm starting now. Session will be started now. Okay, next. Could you please inform others as well to join? Like I am going to start, which will be useful for others. So till that time, yeah, hi, Kaps. Thank you. So first of all, I'm going to create one class. Okay. So these are all the basic things. Also, like see, you are no need to create, right, in the exam. What you need to write, you need to write in the paper, right? So how I have created, I have already explained. Just after creating the class, in the examination, after getting question, what you have to do, what are all the things you have to write, and like in easy way, like every question there will be some standard points that you have to write. I will be going to tell that one as well. So before that, what I want to tell you is how to understand the question. Like after getting the question, what are all the terms you need to understand, and after understanding the question, what is the need, like what should you have to write. Okay, so yeah, let me go to the question first. Let me see the comments as well meanwhile, if any comments is there. Big fan, thank you, thank you. So yeah, you can see this question one, right? Please let me know in comments. You can see this question one, right? So, please let me know in comments. You can see this question one, right? Is it clear? So, like, that means, are you able to see it clearly or not? I'm about to ask that. Are you able to see it clearly or not? I'm about to ask that. Are you able to see it clearly or not? Okay. So, the first question is Mr. X wants to send a send a confidential message with only the lowercase letters to Mr. Y. Okay, he has invented an encryption algorithm. According to the encryption algorithm, the original message is wait, original message is to be converted into encrypted message with the following conditions. So what are the conditions here given? Each alphabet is converted into its previous alphabet, but the character is converted into Z. Okay, but the character A is converted into Z. Each numeric is converted into its previous numeric digit, but the numeric 0 is converted into 9. And third one, all the special characters are converted into dollar sign. If there are any special characters, those need to be converted into dollar sign. So what we need to write? We need to write a Java program to help him, to help Mr. X, like to do the encryption process. So if like there is a sample input and output as well. So if the Mr. X has written 1, 2, 3 computer system, then the output should have to be displayed 0, 1, 2 BLOTSDARSL like that. Okay, and this question will be of 8 marks. Okay, so make sure if you are knowing some simple terms, right, from the question you have to observe some simple terms. So after knowing that, it will be very easy for you to write the things in the paper or in exam, like what to write, what are the basic things you have to write first. Okay, okay, let's start with the answer. So have you have observed that question. The question itself provides us that the user have to type the input. Yes or no? The user have to type the input. When you observe that in any question, if the user have to type in the question, right, from the question, if you observe that the user should have to type, matlab the input should be provided by the user. If the input should be provided by the user, then you will be using scanner class. The first thing I want you to like remember is, whenever, let me write here, let me create one Java for this. So just 1 minute. I will write some important points as well, which will be useful for you. Text document. In so I will be writing some important points here. Whenever in question, right? In question, if if the user have to provide input input, then use scanner class. Okay. So whenever, see what I'm writing, whenever in question, if the user have to provide input, then we have to use the scanner class. Then you have a doubt, how can we use scanner class? For this, what you have to do is, like first step. So first step, after reading the question, what you have to do, write one package prev paper. I have written prev paper. You can give any name in place of prev paper. You can give anything you want. Okay. So first thing you have to write in the exam is package keyword. See, all are small letters. Package, and you have to write that package name. That is common for every question. Okay. Make sure that is common for every question. So I am writing that as well. See, I'm copying this. Where is the word? Yeah, here. So first step, package and package name. This is common for every question. Okay. This is common for every question. Okay. Package name is common for every question. Okay. Next, first step is done. Now what is the second step? So after writing the first step, package name, then what I told, whenever the question asks the user to provide the input, then you have to use the scanner class. So for using the scanner class, you have to import java dot util dot scanner. So this scanner is a class, inbuilt class from the Java, which is there in the util package. Simple. What is the meaning of this line? Scanner is a class. Scanner is a class from util package. So what is the use of this? Because of this input only, we can able to take the input from the user. Okay. So two steps done. So first of all, what the step is common for every question? Write package and package name. And what is the second one? Second step. If whenever there is sorry. So whenever in question, if the user have to provide input, then user scanner class like import java.util.scanner. You have to write this at the after the package. You have written package name, right? After that, write this one, import java.util.scanner. Okay, done. Two steps done. This is common for every question. See, first step is common for every question. You can write this blindly as well. Okay. Then after that, if according to the question, first check the question. Okay. Then in the question you found like the user have to provide the input. Then you have to import the scanner class. Okay. Done. 2 points. And next, minimum marks will be given for this, guys. Okay. That's why I'm telling. And now what I want to tell, see, our main goal, what is our main goal according to the question? We have to convert the given message to some encrypted message like the previous letters. For B, we have to convert it as A, and for numbers as well. For 9, it should be 8, and for 8, it should be 7. Like that, we have to print encrypted message. So for that, so for anything that we want to display, right, it should be in the class, right? So whatever code we are writing, that should be in a class. So for that, what you need to write? Public class and class name. This is the structure. After imports, you have to open the class. What I told, after imports, you should open the class. So if imports are done, then write class name. And this is the structure. Okay, public class, and this is class name. Class name is your wish. Okay, you can give anything. And next, so first of all, you have written package name, and after that you have imported the scanner class, and after that you have declared the class name. Okay, done. Now next, what is given, what we have to do now? So as we have to take the input from the user, we have to use the scanner class. So how can we use the scanner class here? Scanner, right? Scanner sc is a variable is equal to new scanner system dot wait system dot in. Okay. So till now, if you have any doubts, please contact. Like feel free to share in the comments. I'm here to explain. Also, if you like the way of explanation, you can like the video as well. Just provide me 1 minute. So before that, please write this on your notes, or you can write it on your Eclipse as well if you have Eclipse. Okay. Okay, next, after done, so now what after that, you need to provide in the in this console, right? I want to display to enter the message system. For printing anything in the console, you can write system dot out dot println. The main what is the main use of this is the main use for printing that in the console. Okay, enter the message. Okay, as it is not a main method, you should write the main method as well. Write the main method: public static void main string args. Okay, so what I have done, I have just written a main method. Okay, main method, that's all. This is the main method, standard one, public static void main. This is also very important for every class, any class you are writing, right? So you have to write the main method. Okay. Okay, done. So after writing the main method, I have imported the scanner class, and after that I have asked, I want to print the enter the message in the console. So after that, what I will do, I have to store it, right? What the user will type, I have to store that. Where I will store, as the user will provide a string, I will be storing that in a string. Okay, string input. Input is a variable here. You can give any variable name there. String input is equal to sc dot next. Also we can give next or next line, it is our wish, both are same. Next line provides that it will be expecting a line, and next will expect a string there. Okay, next, also I am storing the encrypted message. See, the input will be provided by the user, and we have to provide the we have to display the output in our web console. So for that, string output I am doing string output. At starting it will be nothing. Okay, so string, right? For string I have to double quotes, put double quotes. Okay, done. So till now what I have done, I have created a class. Okay, I have created a class, and in that I have written an import class, import scanner. I have imported scanner class, and I have written a public main method. So scanner class, and I have printed that in the if you want to print that in the web console, right? You have to write like this: system.out.println. Whatever you want to print in the web console, you can write this system.out.println. And for this, string input sc.nextLine. This is for taking input from the user. Okay, and next, string output is equal to, at starting I won't have anything. While converting 1 1 1 1 1, see, I want to check everything. You will be providing one sentence, right? Or in you have provided word, right? I want to check every character there. So for checking every character, one by one will be added, one character will be added to output. Okay, for like that I will do. So for this I will be using the for each loop. I have already explained this in the basics. For this I will be using for each loop. for every character I have to check. For each input, what is their input? 1 minute. Input dot. So what I have to do to char array? See what I'm doing here. Whatever the input you got, you are converting that into character array. Okay. So it will be a list of characters. Nothing more than that. It converts a string to characters for easy iteration. The main use of input to char array is nothing but to char array is nothing but it will change the string into character array for easy iteration. Okay, done. Now what you have to do? So till now what you have done? You have taken the input, right? You have taken the input from the user. Now for each one, for each character you are checking. For each character you are checking whether like changing. You have to change for the each character side. For this, now we will write the function. What if C, character C is there, right? So everything one character. If I'm writing Gopi, right? G, you will check G, O, P, everything, right? One character I will be checking. If C also I want to show one thing in the question. You can see this. Each alphabet is converted into its previous alphabet, but the character A is converted into Z. Okay, A should be converted into Z, 0 should be converted into 9, and the special characters are converted into dollar. Okay, so character C greater than or equal to character A. Where is this? A. If C greater than or equal to A, then what it should be? And also another thing is, and C less than or equal to Z. So in these two conditions, what I have to do? I have to swap it. I mean, I have to what to do? I have to print the previous alphabet, right? So that's what I will do. If in this, in first if condition, I will be checking if C is greater than or equal to A or C is less than or equal to Z. But only for particularly for A thing, if C double equal to A, then what I will do, if C is equal double equal to A, then the output is there, right? Output is equal to output plus, so I will add this thing, the C1, output plus C. Now what it will become? If the C is double equal to A, right? Then I should have to print C double equal to A. Okay, I have to print Z, right? Z. Okay, what I'm doing, if see first of all I'm checking for each character. If you have a sentence in that there will be many words, in that I'll be checking for each character. So if character C, every character I'm storing in C, right? If that is greater than or equal to A or less than or equal to Z, then it will go to the if condition. If in that if condition, what I'm doing, if C double equal to A, then it needs to add Z. If it's not A, then what it should do? I will write in that condition as well. Else, any other than A. If any other one is there, then char prev. That is nothing but previous. I am creating one char, and that variable name is previous. So in that previous, what I am doing is the char that is there, right? Okay, in brackets you have to write char and C minus 1. What it means? It is nothing but it will store the previous one. Okay, see here char in brackets char and C minus 1 is nothing but what if C equal to A, then it will add Z. If C is other than A, okay, if C is other than A, matlab character, you're storing character is other than A, then the prev variable will store the previous character. Okay, then I have to add this in the output, right? Output is equal to output plus prev, right? Done. So what you have done till now, you have checked whether C is greater than or equal to A or C is less than or equal to Z. Then you have compared if C double equal to A, then you have added Z. And if C is not equal to A, then for other one, you have done like this. Okay, done. Now, what you have to do, first thing is done. This one is done, right? See, each alphabet is converted into previous alphabet. We have write that, but the character is converted into Z. Now, second one, each numeric is converted into its previous numeric digit, but the numeric 0 is converted into 9. Right? So, in this, I am writing another if condition. So, for I already written, what to say, for C double equal to A, that's done, right? Now, what I have to write? I have to, 1 minute. Yeah. Now, what I will do, I will compare for the numeric digits as well. Else if, I can write if or else if C greater than or equal to 0. I think 0 should be in characters. I'm not sure. Yeah, as C is a character. If C is greater than or equal to 0 and C is less than or equal to 9, then what we need to do? We need to check. Similarly like this. If C double equal to 0, then what should print? Output should add output is equal to output plus 9. It should display 9. Okay, and else for others, else what should print? If 0, then it will print 9. If it is not 0, then what it will do? Char prev digit. It will store the previous digit. How to do that? Char. Same, you can use this one as well. Not an issue. Char C minus 1. Same thing, you can write it this way and you can just add in the output. Output is equal to output plus previous one. Okay, done. Now what you have done till now, you have changed for this and this. Okay, now you should have to print that, right? So whatever you have done till now, you have to print that. So for dollars you can use, but according to the sample input, I will be going from the sample input dot out dot 1 minute, let me reshare my screen. My screen is visible. System dot out dot print ln. So what I need to print here? System dot out dot println. What is the encrypted message I have to print? 1 minute. Encrypted message I have to print. So what is the encrypted message here? Output is, right? Output. I am printing the output. Bus. Now let me run this. I hit a main application. I can run this directly. Run as Java application. Enter the message. I will write Gopi. Here it is printing everything. For not printing like this, let me. So after for loop, if you print, it will directly print only that one. If not, it will print like this. I will run it again. Okay. So I have written that in the for loop. That is the reason. So if I write Gopi, it will write NOH. Okay. Okay, it is going to enter 1 minute. Again, let me what is the use the sample one itself. So the computer system, you can see 012 BNL that or not. You can check this here. See 012 blot SDARSL. You can see the output, right? Yeah, same output. So please let me know comments if everyone is clear with this question. Or if you have any doubts, you can ping me in the comment section. So if you write like this now, you will definitely get 8 marks from the oops. So till that time, 1 minute, I will have my water. Drink is let me know in comments, guys, if you have any doubts. I will provide the answers for those doubts. Yeah. If no doubts, then I can go to second question. Or if any doubts, by seeing this, you can ask directly in the comment section. Anyone, could you please any confirm? If yes or no, I will go to the second question, or I can explain it once more if you want what I have done till now. If you written in the same format, just this much, if you understood right, maybe you can get the similar question. That's the reason I'm solving the previous paper. Not by not solving the model paper, I'm only solving the previous paper. These questions, senior got these questions. That's what I want to say. Previous year, who have attempted for semester 4, right? They have got these questions in their exam. So let me know if you have any doubts on this first question. So till the time, if you want, I can share in the chat like the question if you want. Like after that, I will be uploading in the learnbuzz.in website the questions and the codes if you want. So before that, please confirm one thing: are you like you are you understood this code or not? Same thing you have to write in the exam. Okay. Anyone? Please respond. Until now, please check the code. So what I have written, you can write it in the notes, or you can type in the Eclipse, or you can run this in the online Java compiler as well. Okay, then with this first question is done. I'm going to start the second question. Comprehensive registration. Yeah, okay. Now second question. I'm going with the second question. All good. Let me know. Yeah, if anyone is there, then please let me in the comments so that I can continue. See, I'm not going to make any other video. Just the what is there in the live. I'm going to upload this in the videos as well. So you can go back and again check the videos only. I'm not going to make more videos on that. Okay. If you have any friends, please tell them. I'm going to start second question within 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the first code. Those who have joined newly, right? So this is the problem for the first code. Just what we have done is we have it imported for every question. You need to write the package name, and if the in the question if they ask the input from the user, right? If the user have to write the input, then you have to import the scanner class, and after that class name, and according to the question we have solved the first question. So if anyone have missed it till now, right, they can watch. I will be uploading this on the YouTube as well. They can watch in the video section. Okay. So now I'm going to the second question. Watching. Let me know in comments if you. I'm going to explain the second question. So I think second question is somewhat easy than which question I should go. Count days. Can use this one as well. Yeah, I'm going to explain the sixth question now. Let me know in comments if it is okay for everyone. See, it's very easy one. It's a 4 mark question. So we have already explained 8 marks question. Now I'm going to explain the 4 mark questions. It's very easy if you know the basics. That's why I'm telling. For other subjects, if you are not, leaving the mid and if you are preparing for some syllabus, then it will be fine. But for OOPS concepts mainly is this basics for the in the mid we will be having the basics. See, this basics is very important. Okay, without knowing that basics it will be very difficult to write the exam. Even if you are, even it is an open book, if you are taking the books, what's the use, what thing you have, which method, which class you have to write, where you have to write, if you are not knowing any of these things and if you are going and writing the exams, maybe it will affect the score, if it will affect your score. So that's the reason I'm explaining this. Okay, so now I'm going to explain the sixth question now. Write a Java program to read an array that contains elements and count the number of elements that are divisible by m. M is also an input. Sample input assume that contains the elements as 12, 15, 20, 26, 30, 40, 50, 60. These are the array of elements. Okay. Yeah, Swami. Definitely, I will be uploading in the Lanbus. This live session it will be again uploaded in the YouTube, and I will be upload that in the language as well. Okay, so but I'm not going to make any particular videos as we are running out of time. There is only less time, so that's why I'm not going to make any particular concept, particular video like that. So I'm explaining the overall one. Okay, so here a array is given. Okay, then what we have to do, if the value of m we have to like user where m is also an input and it will be entered by the user. Okay, if the value of m is 6, then count is 3. If the value of m is 10, the count is 5. Like this we have to print. Okay, done. Now what we have to print, the multiples. We have to print the multiples. Okay, done. Now how to do this? First of all, create a class. New main class I will be creating. It will be Q2. As in this question also, we will be taking the input from the user. That's why I will be writing this import statement. Import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, done. So in this statement also we are writing java dot util dot scanner, the main method now. So what are the things we have to do? First we have to take the input from the user. For that I will be writing scanner sc equal to new scanner. This is the standard one. I have explained already in the previous question. System.in. So if you have any doubts, if the new persons have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section. So according to that, I will be explaining. Okay. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. So with this, using this sc, I can take the inputs from the user. Okay. Then next, I have to take an array. I have already static array. So I will write int add is equal to what are the things given in the question? 12, 15, 20, 12, 15, 20, 26, 30, 40, 50, 60. So these are the array given in our question. Now system dot out dot print ln. Enter the value. We are asking the user enter the value for m. After valuing, the user should provide the input, and we have to store that in int m is equal to, we can store it on m sc dot next, as it next int we'll be using. Okay, done. So first of all, we have stored a array of elements, and after that we are asking the user to enter the value, and user will enter the value and it will be stored in the variable m. And after that int, we are taking int count equal to 0. First of all, the count will be 0. Now we have to print the system, like system dot println. So after that we have to print the what are the elements that are divisible by m, right? Elements that are, it's our wish. Can you share the questions? Yeah, sure, bro, Venkat. I'll be sharing. I will be sharing in the Lenbus, and you can check there as well. Okay. And these videos will be posted on the Lenbus as well. Elements that are divisible by elements that are divisible by which one? M, right? Concatenation, we can say this. Now we have to print the way what are all the elements that are there. For that we have to write the logic. First of all, for each loop, for int n, for everything that is there in the array, right? We are taking for each loop. Then if n modulus for n percentage m, right, double equal to 0, then count will be increased. And also system dot out dot print we have to print that num, right? Yeah, we are printing that num. Okay, next what we are doing here, we are doing the number, we are printing the numbers, and that's all. So and after that what we have to do after this for loop, once done, we have to system dot print how many things are the system dot out dot println count. We have to print what is the total count. Okay, count. So once run this, enter the value of 1. I am entering 6. Enter. Here 12, 30, 60 are the things. So there is no difference because here I'm printing n, and let me give some space. Let me run this again. So 12, in 1 minute. Yeah, 12, 30, 60 are divisible by 6 and the total count is 3. That's all. After writing this, you can get the 4 marks. So these are the very easy questions from the basic. So first two to three questions that will be asking in the exam will be easy on the basics, and the last three questions will be asked from the somewhat methods that you need to understand. So if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section. As the number of persons is less, I'm stopping this live as of now, and I will continue later whenever maximum persons will join. So, thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, please do let me know in comments. If anyone are interested in listening more questions as well, I'm here to help you. These are the questions list of questions, and I'll be providing that in the language as well. Let me know in comments if you have any doubts or suggestions. Chat window is for you to know. Just make a look of this code. Let me know if you have any doubts. If no doubts, if you want me to tell another question as well, I'm ready to tell, but it depends on you whether you are interested or not. Or else I'll be doing that in later live session. Again, I will be the remaining questions also. Now only, Swati, is it okay to explain now only? Thanks for your by the way, thanks for your response. So yeah, then I will be explaining one more questions, as our Swati told, and I will be explaining this one, 8 marks question as well. Okay, till now 8 and 4 marks I have completed, and I'll be explaining the another 8 marks question, which will be not easy but easy. Okay, so let me answer for the third one. This is for, let me refactor it. This is for Q6, right? Q6. So first and sixth question is solved. And next I'm going to solve second question. Yes, Swati, I will be explaining that in later. As the number of persons is less, that's the reason I'm trying to do it. But okay, I'll be explaining one more question, 8 more questions. So this will be the last. Uh, till that time, you can text your friends to join the class. Question 2, I'm going to explain. Okay. So first of all, like for every question, write package name, public class question class name, and the main method. These things are common for every question. Okay. So now let us read the question. Now write a class student with the variables are attributes, roll number, age, and course. Initialize values through parameterized constructor. If age of student is not in between 15 and 21, generate user defined exception is not within range. And if name contains numbers or special symbols, raise exception like name not valid. So we have to, for this we have to create two class, two exception class. Okay, for this what we need to do, we need to write two exception class. So what are those classes? Age within range exception, and another one is name not valid exception. These are the two exception classes we have to create. Okay, you can, from the question, age not within range, this is one exception, and name not valid, this is another exception. These are the two exception classes we need to create. So as we have to write everything on the same extends exception. Okay, class is age, and that is one of the exception, that is age within range exception. This is age within range, we can write age within range exception, and public, and we have to create a constructor for this public age, and we have to pass one message, we have to print one message whenever we are having that age exception, right? We have to print message string message. We have to print string message. Okay, so in that we have write super constructor. Just we are printing that message, that's all, nothing more than that. Okay, similarly for age we have written, right? Now for the like name not valid, for name also we have to do same thing, just copying and pasting. Similarly for age, sorry, name. If we have name, then you can write this same thing what we have done till now, just two classes, one which a is, that is not in the range, and for the name not valid, for this we have created one our user defined exception classes. We have created two user defined exception classes with age and name. Okay, and we are printing that we have used the constructor and dash. And after that we have a class q2, right? In this class q2 what we have to write, we have three things, right? Roll number, name, age, and course. Four things. We have to create that one attributes first. Private, private int roll number and private string name, private int age, and private string course. These are the four things that we have to create. Whenever they told to create a attribute set, just write this one. It's enough. See, these are the four things. 1 minute. Roll number, name, age, and course. These are the four attributes that I have created in the class. Okay. And after that, initialize values to parameterize constructor. Okay. We have to initialize these values using parameterize constructor. Let me. You have to write it, but as I am having this one, I will direct. Also, this one it will be throwing the exception. What are the exception throws? Age, comma, name, right? These exceptions should have been thrown. Okay, now and we have to use the setters for name. We have to check the values, right? Yeah, for that we will be taking the name. Write a class students with, yeah, we have done this, and we have initial parameter constructor, and we have to write the logics. If age of student is not in between 15 and 21, then generate user defined exception. We have to write this logic as well. If public void set name, and let me put that set name in the name as well. 1 minute. We have to check this as published. In this we have to pass yeah. And for this name I will use throws name. Okay, public void state name is one the method that that is passing the parameter name. Okay, which throws the exception user defined exception name, and we will be writing the logic here. If name dot matches, we will write the name dot matches, and this is one standard one that it should be in the a, right? So that's why this is the standard one that I will write now. A to z and a to z, that's all. Yes. if it is matching this condition, okay, then we have to throw new name and the message should be what is the exception we have to throw, name not valid. Then okay, name not valid we will be throwing, and we will be writing this dot name is equal to name. Same thing for we have to do this for age as well. Same thing. This is for int one as well. Int age I'm passing, same thing I'm doing, and it is checking this exception. Now for like age, well, right, age should be less than 15 and age should be greater than 21, right? We have to change this logic. If age is less than 15 or age is greater than 21, then what should we have to print? Age is not within the range. That's all. Now whatever thing we have to write, we have written, right? And at last what we have to write a method for the displaying. Public void display. This is a method to display system dot out dot we have to print roll number, name, age, and course. Roll number, for roll number we will be writing this. And after that for name, name is done. Next age. And after that course. Here, 1 minute. What's the error I'm getting here? Okay, done. Now I have to print the all things by taking some students, list of students. I will have to try. Yeah, hi Vardhan. Here the code that I have already explained previously. That's what I'm doing. What are the things we have to print? Right, I have written that in the display method. Okay. So now what I will do is I will give some student details in the main method. That's all we have to do. We have to call the student object class s1 new student, and we will be passing the values. Here you can see this is the thing that I am doing. Oh sorry, here it is q2, class q2. I have given the class q2 is equal to in this one here, q2 class q2. And in this what are the things? Roll number, name, age, course. Roll number I am getting 01, and after that, and what you have to give? Name, age. Name Gopi, and next is 21, and next course I am doing maths. Okay, done. What's the problem here I'm getting? I can do it by try catch block. This might be as you have to print the exception as well. So that's the reason you have to do try catch block here, try catch block, and we have to display that one s1 dot display. You have to print for this. This is one student, and for another student I will be doing the same thing. For student s2, her name is Raju, and the course is Java. Okay, done. That's all. And a catch, we have age and the name E. Okay, E dot same. It's easy enough. Now let me run this. Here you can see just it is printing roll number one, name, Gopi, all these things it is printing. Like this, you can write the proper malware. Just understand the question. What are the things it is being asking? What we have done in this second question is like we have created a class, two exception classes at the starting, and we have used extends keyword, and we have extended to exception, and after that we have used those two exception in our class q2. Okay, in this class we have used the exception classes, and in the main class, that is the main method is there, right? And in that we have provided some values, and we have called the main method. You can observe here we are not using import scanner class because we are not taking any input from the user. That's why we are not using. Whenever we are taking the input from the user, then we can write that. So that's all from my side, guys. So with this I'm concluding the three questions are completed. Question 1, question 2, and question 6 from this notepad, and this notepad will be shared in the language.in website in within half an hour. So if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. So the next three questions will be will I will provide one more live session after that, so it will be explained after that. Okay, thank you. Let me know till that time. Let me know if you have any other more doubts. I'm here to explain about if you have any further doubts on any other subjects as well. If you need any updates as well, you can ask here as well now in comments. So if everything is perfect, then I can end this session. Yeah, thank you, Swati. Hi, Sidhu. Welcome. Thank you, guys. Then bye. Take care. Let us meet in the next session.